These guys here have their bums in the air, signalling to the rest of the colony that the queen is in the basket. That's what I'm looking for, so I think I got there. They're still sort of swarming around the original site, so I have to check that they're not congregating. So there are a few here. And what happens is they work out that the queen's not here, and then they go to the basket. There's sort of a moment when they all realise, fly in the air, and then they all head to here. And I have to move them into a hive tonight, otherwise they normally abscond. Means I'll lose them. First swarm, 2023. Luckily, a couple of days after coronation, as I would have lost them. Now I have to work out which hive they came from, because tomorrow I have to go in and remove all the queen cells, except I normally leave 2, but I might leave 1. Can't risk losing the bees. I've only got 5 colonies left, I think, this year. A lot of winter losses. This is the original site. Less and less bees now, so I reckon I definitely got to. Just did it in one shake. So the swarm's over there, and I'm looking in these hives, and there are bees at the top here. Now, if this hive had just swarmed, this space was definitely empty, because I only put this super on a few days ago. And I've checked that hive there, and that's the same, so it must be this hive. So I'll check this tomorrow. This is my final check. All bees have gone from there, and most of the bees are in now, so I can come back later. I'm going to go home now and prepare a hive for them to be bashed into tonight at dusk.